Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with the topic how to copy data from one sheet to another sheet and how to copy data from one Excel to other Excel. As you already know how to do it manually, how to copy data from one Excel to other Excel or how to copy data from one sheet to another sheet manually. We all know that. But today I'm going to tell you how to copy data from one sheet to another sheet using UiPath Studio. First, take one sequence activity. In that, take Excel application scope. Here, you need to give the path of the Excel. Let me show you. This is my Excel sheet. I have some sort of data and my Excel sheet name is data sheet. Now our task is to copy this data and that data should be copied to another sheet in the same Excel. I will show you how to achieve this using UiPath Studio. First, here we need to give the path of that Excel file. Otherwise, just select this Excel file path. After that, now search for copy sheet. In the properties panel, destination file path, destination sheet name, and in input, sheet name is there. Here, by default, the sheet 1 is present, but in our Excel, my sheet name is data sheet. So I want to change this sheet name as data sheet. Yeah. Then here I need to give the destination sheet name. My destination sheet name should be copied sheet. Here only one sheet is present in my Excel, that is data sheet. When we run, we get the result, that is the data should be present in the another sheet, that is in copied sheet. Okay, save this. Let's run. After successful completion of this run, open the Excel sheet. Now you can see the result that in data sheet we have some sort of data, that same data that should be present in that copied sheet in the same Excel. This is how it works using UiPath Studio. Now I will show you how to copy the data from one Excel to another Excel. In destination file path, we need to give the path of that particular Excel, that destination file. Here, I'm going to copy the same path, give the Excel sheet name, that is copy sheet dot xlsx. Give OK. You can see here, as of now, I'm having only one sheet, that is copy one sheet to another sheet. Now after this run, that another Excel sheet that should be present in that particular path. Save this. Let's run. Yes. Now we'll check. Yes. Now you can see the another Excel sheet, that is copied sheet. By copied sheet name, the data has copied from that data sheet to this particular Excel. This is how we can convert, or we can copy the data from one Excel sheet to another Excel, or one sheet to another sheet of the same Excel. Hope this video is very helpful for beginners. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.